Let's start designing gaming thumbnail. Bring an image of versus with lighting and place it in the center. Make background color black and put blend mood to screen on versus image. Take a pen and draw a shape around lighting. Bring in background and clip with the shape. Now bring in character and convert it to smart object and adjust it. Now bring another background and place it on left side behind the shape. Now bring another character and place it on left side and adjust it. Now open Eye of Versus image and put a mask on it. And start brushing with low opacity. Take new layer behind character and make it whole black and put blend mood to screen. Take new empty layer, clip with another layer. Apply gradient map of red gradient and clip with other two layers. Now click on empty layer and start brushing with white foreground color. After brushing, lower the opacity of layer. Now put an exposure in background and adjust the values and clip with background. Now came to the blue side and put exposure. Adjust its values and clip with background. Now make copy of highlight and put it behind blue character. Change the gradient color to blue. Now click on empty layer and start brushing with white foreground color. Now write text with font Iraq Blood ATC. Make to copy of text group all of 3 and adjust it. Now apply red gradient to upper text. Now change color to white of second text and click down and left key for 5 times. Now change color to black of third text and click down and left key for 5 times. Now do the same process with other side text. Bring sparkle image put blend mood to screen and apply hue and saturation and adjust values to red. Make copy of sparkle image and not put behind blue character. Apply hue and saturation and adjust the values to blue color and clip with background. Bring versus images in PNG and place dotted on versus and adjust it. Press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt to make one dot layer and convert it to Smart Object. Apply Camera Raw Filter from Filters bar. Thank you for watching.